Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna fit the floor. What I've done off camera is I've welded that on, primered it, and then I don't know if you remember from the last video I mentioned something about bending this down and actually primering that, so I did that right there. That panel actually turned out decent. I didn't think it did at first, but it actually turned out pretty good. So yeah, what we're gonna do is try to fit this floor, not screw it up too bad. Hey guys, we're back. I got the floor in. It's a little bit more of a challenge than what I thought it was going to be. I had a real bad problem with this getting lined up over here, and I had to peel these things back a little bit to kind of make room for my new panel there, because the new panel ain't quite exactly 100% square like it's supposed to be. But what my plan is after I weld it in, I'll just bang all these back into place and get them back in there. Then we'll either tack weld them or spot weld them. I spot welded them on that side, but that's probably what I'll do on this side too. Go ahead and just spot weld them down. But next thing is to take it back out, clean all this metal up, and then probably get it welded in. I don't know if I'll weld in tonight or not because it's getting kind of late, but we got her in here though. So next thing to do is just weld it in. Lines are looking pretty good. The hole doesn't line up just like the other one, so that ain't nothing. If you could tell, the little hole over there, same thing. But yeah, it's in there though. It's all that matters. But yeah, I'll bring you back whenever I get something else done. Okay guys, we're back. I got it all fully in. We're ready to go. All I gotta do is weld it now. I'll bring you back whenever I get it tacked in and welded. Hey guys, we're back. Got this thing all welded in for the most part. I got a couple little things I gotta do yet. I got all that spot welded in right there. All that welded down. It turned out pretty decent. I'm not 100% happy with it, but it turned out pretty okay. I gotta plug a couple little holes right here. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. I had to do the same thing here as I did the other side. I had to kind of manufacture a little bit of panels right there, so that's gonna need a lot of cleaning up. But yeah, next thing I'm gonna do probably is get these welds cleaned up, and then probably start a new video on this, but then we'll start a new video getting this ceiling, getting this cleaned up. But yeah, I believe this is it for this one though, but you all have a good night. Oh yeah, to bring you back, this did not fit as good as I wanted it to, which kind of upsets me a little bit. But what I might do is I actually might run a little weld bead right down through here just to kind of close that off so no water and stuff gets into it, which I'll put sealer and stuff on it, but it just didn't turn out as good as I wanted it to. But yeah, y'all have a good night.